So I am a programmer, and he's a computer, and the computer has some task to be done. So I'm going to tell this task to the computer. Princely Jolet Porcine. Princely Joet Vachi. Princely Joet Watcher. I'm go- now I'm going to tell the computer the computer which understands with the proper language. Take the dog toy. So the computer is performing the task that what I'm telling. Take the cow toy. Look, it is performing. Now take the car toy. Before, the computer didn't understand the language, so it was like an idle. After when we gave instruction, with the proper language, it did.
Come on, let's give them a big round of applause. Thank you.